how does it feel na you are being looked at as equals now on the cover of yes, 100 Most Beautiful?
Of course, nung sinabi nila sa akin na kami ni Julia po yung cover for 100 Most Beautiful Faces, we're very happy talaga. Especially na ang laman ko na kasama ko si Julia. Kasi ever since, ginagawa nila kami ng issue na yung pinakompare, yung ganyan, tapos pinapag-away nila kami. Pero, ayan, this time, for Yes Magazine, yung parang kaming dalawa na kahit ano gawin talaga nila. As in, equal talaga kami na wala talaga sa amin yung issues and everything. So, ayan, we're very happy lang to be chosen as the cover.
And gaya po na sabi ko kanina, parang nung nagsa-start kami, first big break namin is together. And until now, we're still together. Parang super happy namin kasi sa journey na po. Yun, nakita namin yung journey namin sa isa't isa. At kami pa rin yung magkasama. Kaya we're so very, very happy talaga. Yun po talaga yung description ng ano namin.